The surgical mask trap, we developed a strap for it that wouldn't put any pressure on the ear. So, and then we have the facial. Then we have the respirator, and there's a ventilator, and then the automated hand washing machine. At the end of this bootcamp, we are going to mass produce these things and then distribute across.
So, from the beginning, you all know that it's the Make It Assemble program, and it's starting with the bootcamp. Bootcamp for 1 week. After which you just come and pitch what you have come up with, your ideas and all of that. And so we have people that are here with us that are part of the program from inception, that's the partners. Some of them are going to join online.
My name is Mame Abuna Dufinichi. I am a third-year telecommunication engineering student of Kumasi University of Science and Technology, and I come from Accra. I'm in Group 3 and we are working on a contactless thermometer, also the thermometer gun. It already exists in the market, but we're working on that. And with this thermometer, you don't have to get into contact with the body, you are getting the temperature of. And what makes ours so different from what's in the market is we have a laser diode incorporated into the design, which gives the direction to the user when taking the temperature of the body. You don't have to necessarily get into contact with the body, but at a distance you can get the temperature. The challenges I faced in my group was I had a couple of people who couldn't work so well in a group, but at the end of the whole training and building process, we've been able to achieve the contactless thermometer. My expectations were basically centered around the ladies and how the instructors were going to react towards us. I actually felt they were going to be so calm on us and take it easy on us, and also the aspect of fun. I wasn't expecting there to be so much studying and building and this and that. I was expecting some part of fun activities and socialization, and I believe all these expectations have been met. Since I joined this program, I've got a skill, that's design thinking. I knew a little bit about design thinking, but I've learned so much about design thinking. I know that you don't just wake up and start a project, but you have to start with brainstorming, and I have learned that here. I know that a lot of ladies out there think that tech and engineering is just for men, but no, I've been able to have this whole training and build a thermometer gun, so I believe all ladies can do this too. Thank you.
My name is Ojination. I'm a third-year engineering student from University of Science and Technology. I come from Sakradi. I'm in Group 2. We are working on an automatic hand washing machine. And then instead of manually opening the tap for your soap and your water, we just when you introduce the device, it automatically opens a dispenser for your soap, and then later when you introduce your hand, it will dispense water for you. Okay, so our main challenge is time, because the time is very short for us, because we are starting to develop or design the device from the bottom of the scratch. So the main challenge we are facing as a group is the time. Expectations were met because I was expecting more ladies to partake in the program, although we are not quite a number, but I think we are okay and it's a good sign. I've learned a lot. Interestingly, when we were in school, we were just learning the theory aspects of the devices, but now I've seen a lot of them and I've come into contact with them, I've worked with them, and I know how they operate. So I'd like to tell ladies out there that tech is very simple, and we all can grab opportunities that come like this. So we should look out for such opportunities and grab them.
My name is Fatia Layachinde. I'm from Upper East Boku West, and I'm a student from Kamani Midwifery Level. I'm in Group 4, and we are working on facial and mask trap. Mask trap is just a piece of plastic that we've been able to invert to be able to hold the back of the band to prevent too much pressure on the ear. Challenges we face is on inadequate 3D people, because we don't have much of them, and then printing one or two takes time, about 2 hours to complete. So I think because we don't have much, we have to wait for the other one to get ready before we can print the other ones. I think these are the challenges we have for now. Yes, my expectation will make because I overcome the challenges, and then what I was expecting wasn't how they are. And then how strict I was expecting they should be on us, it wasn't like that. It was like a friendly place, and I really liked it. I like to tell women out there is they should partake in activities involving technology, because nowadays technology is taking over the world. And then technology is not as big as they think it is. So I think yes, we can.
We are currently in the production stage, and we began from the 7-day bootcamp where we were taught how to go through the design stage and production stage. During the production stage, my team and I have been able to create 50 contactless thermometer guns using the 3D printer to print the container, and we also used the soldering iron to put the electronic parts together. We also made use of the glue gun to assemble the electronic parts. Being a part of a cause for change in this COVID-19 era has made me feel a percentage accomplished in life, since I've always wanted to help reduce the spread of COVID-19.